Good morning friends, welcome back to our channel. As we know, we have completed our number of chapter, that is about number 5 chapter. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is about statistic, that is 14 chapters of our maths. So friends, you know that is a very interesting chapter and I hope you all will enjoy a lot in this session. Today we are going to start lecture number 1, that is about 14.1. Friends, in this chapter we need to find mean, median and mode. First we will talk about the mean, and to find the mean we have variety of method, that is about direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. And friends, remember, step deviation method for finding mean is already reduced from the syllabus for this year, so we are not going to talk about it. Step deviation method, we will only talk about direct method and assume mean method. So this is the question number 1 of 14.1. we need to find the mean, but we will talk about direct method. Later on we will try to solve same example by assume mean method. Okay friends, so what to do in direct method? So remember friends, number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. These are the class. We will consider this thing as a class in this chapter, and look at the number of houses. These numbers are said to be frequency. Okay, so what we will do first? First we will write the classes, then we will write the frequency. Okay, so what is the first step for finding mean by direct method? So look at here, first we will write class. Okay, what are the class? That is 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14, right? 14, 12 to 14, these are the class. ठीक है, अब हम फ्रेंड्स क्या करेंगे? सेकंड स्टेप होगा हमारा एक्सआई का. क्या होगा? एक्सआई. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, यू विल हैव अ क्वेश्चन दैट्स व्हाट इज एक्सआई. these are the frequency and that is denoted by fi. Later on we will note down here, but first we will write xi. And what is xi? Xi is mean value. What is mid value? Whatever you say, mid value of class, that is denoted by xi. जो क्लास है उसका मिड पॉइंट आपको यहां लिखना है. तो वो कैसे करेंगे? देखिए, this is called lower limit of the class, this is called upper limit of the class, right? So we will add this both limit and will divide by 2. It means we have to take average of this class. It means 0 plus 2, that will be 2, and divided by 2, that will be 1, right? So we will write 1. Okay, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. We will write 3. What we are doing? Just we are taking the average of this class. और कैसे करेंगे? दो लिमिट का एडिशन करेंगे, लोअर लिमिट प्लस अपर लिमिट, 0 प्लस 2, 2 बनेगा, और 2 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो 1 आ गया इसके सामने. दूसरे क्लास में देखिए, 2 प्लस 4 6 बनेगा, 6 को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 3 जा, मतलब आपको क्या मिलेगा? 3 मिलेगा. 6 प्लस 4 10, 10 को 2 से डिवाइड करो 5. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट क्या बनेगा? 5 मिलेगा. 8 6 14, 14 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, दैट विल बी 7, राइट? 10 प्लस 8 18, 18 को 2 से डिवाइड करो, दैट विल बी 9. 10 प्लस 12 22, एंड 22 को 2 से डिवाइड करोगे, दैट वी विल हैव 11, एंड दिस विल बी 13. ठीक है, तो these are the mid value of class, and how to find? We will take the average of the class. By this way we will get 1 3 5 7 9 11 and 30. Next step will frequency, that is denoted by fi. What is? क्या होगा वो? उसका थोड़ा टेबल बना देते हैं तो आपको समझ में आ जाए. ठीक है। अब आपका मिलेगा एफ आई। एफ आई क्या है? एफ आई तो आपके पास है 1 2 1 5 6 2 and 3, these are the frequency. We will write here, write down 1, that will be 2, then 1, then we will have 5 6, then 2, and then we will have 3, right? The third column will be frequency, second will be mid value, that is denoted by xi. Now friends, the last column of this table will be fi into xi, right? So we will make fi into xi, right? Fi into xi, it means this is the fi and this is the xi. We have to product, we have to multiply xi and fi, and we will write here. So 1 into 1, that will be 1, right? 3 into 2, that will be 6, 5 into 1, that will be 5, 7 into 5, that will be 35, right? 9 6 are 54, 11 2 are 22, 13 3 are 39, right? Check it. ये मल्टीप्लाई फ्रेंड्स गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज हमारा आंसर गलत हो सकता है। तो फिर से चेक कर लेते हैं। 1 into 1 1, 3 2 जा 6, 5 1 जा 5, 7 5 जा 35, 9 6 जा 54, 11 2 जा 22, and 13 3 जा 39. Okay friends. Now friends, what is the formula for finding mean by direct method? So I will write here. Remember, mean always denoted by x bar. Mean is always denoted by x bar, and the formula is sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. Now friends, we will have a question, that's what is sigma? It is nothing but summation. It means addition of all fi into xi. तो all fi xi कहाँ है? ये रहे, वो सब का आपको सम करना है, मतलब उसको हम लिखेंगे सिग्मा fi into xi, उसका सम करके यहां लिख देंगे सिग्मा, इट इज नथिंग बट समेशन, एंड राइट हियर समेशन ऑफ fi, इट मीन जितनी भी फ्रीक्वेंसी है उन सब का हमें सम करना है। तो वो क्या मिलेगा हमें? सिग्मा fi। तो सिग्मा fi कर लेते, कितना सम होता है? 2 + 1 3, 3 + 4 5, 3 4, 4 + 5 9, 9 6 15, एंड 15 + 5 20। सिग्मा fi कितना मिला आपको? 20 मिल गया, ठीक है। अब देख fi xi का सम कितना होगा, देखिए यूनिट डिजिट से करते, 9 to 11, 11 4 15, 15 5 20, 25, 25, 25 + 6 31, and 31 + 1 32, 2 3 carry, 3 3 6 6 5, 11 11 + 2 13, 13 + 3 16, that will be 162, ठीक है। Now shift this both value of sigma fi and sigma fi xi into this formula, and we will have the mean. Okay, so write down sigma fi into xi कितना है? 162, and sigma fi कितना है? 20, ठीक है। 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो कितना मिलेगा? 10 into 2 बनेगा ये कितना मिलेगा? 81 into 2, 2 2 कैंसिल हो गया। फ्रेंड्स, अब आगे आपको डिवाइड नहीं करना है क्योंकि नीचे 10 आ गया है। तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 8.1, दैट विल बी योर x bar. So this is the mean value of these questions. So whenever we are asked to find the mean by direct method, so we will go by this method. First we will write all the classes by this way. Next we will find the mean value of the classes, and how it will be possible? We will take the average of the class by a summation of upper limit and lower limit, and then divide by 2, then we will have the mean value of the class. So through this method we will find all the mean value. Then we will have frequency, that will be already given in our questions. Look at here, these are the frequency, so we will write here, and last column will be fi into xi. So we will multiply this both column and we'll write here. Okay, and remember what is the formula? Mean equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. What is the meaning of sigma fi xi? It is nothing but summation of fi into xi. So these are the all fi xi. Add this, we will have 162, and this is the fi, and summation of frequency, that will be 20. Put all the value here, and by simple maths we will have the value of mean. Okay friends, I hope you got the entire topic. Thank you. Okay friends, look at the question number 2 of the same exercise 14.2. Also we need to find the mean, and also we will use the same method that we have discussed just right now in the first example, direct method. So okay, so for what we will do, first we will write down all the classes, then we will find the mean value, then we will write all the frequency, and the last column will be of fi into xi. Okay, so gradually we will go. First we will write all the classes. 100 and 120, that is first class. 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180, and 180 to 200. Right, this is the class. Make the column by this way. Next we will have xi. What is xi? That is mean value of the class. So how to find the mean value of the class? We will take the summation of the both limit, upper limit and lower limit, and then we will divide by 2. So similar way we will have the mean value of the class. So 100 plus 120, 220, right, and 220 by 2, that is 110. Okay, that will be 110. Later on same method we will go through this method. So next will be 130, 130, then we will have 150, then we will have 170, and then we will have 190. So how to find directly friends? First you have to take the average of the first class, that is about 110, and then add the difference class length of the classes. Look at here, first we will have 110, and what is the class length? That is about 20. So add gradually 20 into previous xi. So 110, then add 20, then we will have 130, then adding 20 another we will have 150, then 170, then we will have 190. So now we already found the xi. Next column will be, as you know, that will be fi, and that is given in our table. Look at here, that is 12. First frequency, that is 12. Second one is 14. Third one is 8. Then 6, and then 10. Okay. Next, you know, that is fi into xi, right? What to do in this column? We have to multiply fi and xi. So 12 into 11, 12 into 11, 0 तो आएगा ही क्योंकि एक तो 0 है ही सब में. 12 into 11 कितना होगा? देखते रहते. 132, 1320. Now 14 into 13, 14 into 13, 1820, then will be 1820. 15 8 za 102, that will be 0. Sorry, that will be 120. 15 into 8, yes, 120, right? 17 into 6, 102, and 19 into 10, that will be 1900, right? So by this way we have to find the fi into xi. You sharply we have to multiply all the table, all the steps, otherwise answer will be wrong. सो आपको अच्छे से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है क्योंकि ये थोड़े डिजिट बड़े आते हैं इसमें, स्पेशली डायरेक्ट मेथड में। एज्यूम मीन में जाएंगे तो ये नंबर छोटे हो जाएंगे और जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन गलती आने की जो प्रोबेबिलिटी है वो कम हो जाएगी। डायरेक्ट मेथड में थोड़े मल्टीप्लाई बड़े रहते हैं तो आराम से करना है कैलकुलेशन, ठीक है। अब आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे सिग्मा एफ आई करना है, यहाँ पे क्या करना है सिग्मा एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई, बिकॉज वी नो द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग मीन फॉर डायरेक्ट मेथड दैट इज अबाउट एक्स बार इक्वल टू सिग्मा एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई बाई सिग्मा एफ आई, ओके। तो वी हैव टू फाइंड सिग्मा एफ आई एक्स आई. We will add all this fi xi and we'll write here and we'll add all the frequency here, right? So add the frequency 12 यूनिट डिजिट से कर लेते हैं, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18 plus 2 20, 0 2 2 plus 1 3 4 and 5. Sigma fi xi sigma fi that is 50. नाउ यूनिट डिजिट देख लेते हैं, 0 0 0 10 डिजिट 2 plus 4 4 plus 2 6, right? Okay, and 100 digit 8 plus 3 11 11 plus 2 13 13 0 13 and 9 22 and 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 7 2 6 0, right? Write down here, we will have 7 2 6 0 by sigma fi that is 50, right? Unit digit cancel हो जाएगा because both have a same unit digit, 0 0 will be cut, and now divide 7 to 6 by 5, then you will get 145.2. that is your answers. Right friends, that's very simple. How to find mean by direct method, we have complete 2 example here, first and second one. I hope you got entire topic, but remember multiplication is little bit critical in this direct method. So I hope that you will go gradually and make sure that you are right, then you will have the correct answers, okay. Next we will discuss about assume mean method for finding mean, because step deviation method is already reduced from our syllabus, so don't worry about it. So this is the first method for finding mean, and in the next lecture we will solve same example by assume mean method, okay. Thank you.